आज का ये पॉडकास्ट इंग्लिश में होने वाला है और आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ही जाने बहुत इंटेलिजेंट और शानदार वक्ता none other than but Mr. Alfez Park. How are you? So we are going to upload this video on YouTube on social media. So this is our first podcast. Do you know?
Yes, I am.
So how much excited you are about this?
I am much excited because people will watch me.
People will watch you. That's why you are extremely excited for that.
Yes.
So first, let me know. Now you already know English is being popular day by day, or we are the part English language unfortunately. So what is the meaning of English in your life, or in another words, how English can help you?
Thank you, sir, for asking me this wonderful question. It is very crucial question. English is the most spoken language in the world, and we speak it for getting job, for go up, and it is and I that English provides future because right now there will be very big inflation in the future. That's why I learn English, and English will help you to improve your education. And we should learn different languages we can learn, but English is very important in our life.
So because our camera is a little far, or we have less mic as well, so I want you to put your points little loudly if you can. Okay? So especially ऑडियंस को बताना चाहेंगे कि इंग्लिश की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है। तो आपने बताया, तो मैं आपसे सेकंड क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा मिस्टर, लेट मी नो हाउ डू यू डू मीन्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स यू डू एट होम और इन स्कूल टू improve yourself in English.
In English, first thing is talking to unknown persons.
मीन्स उन लोगों से इंग्लिश में बात करना है जो आपको जानते नहीं,
Yes.
राइट? वही हमें कॉन्फिडेंस दिला के देती है।
Yes. Second thing is talking in your family to all members with your relatives, whether it is your grandfather, grandmother, they nobody they understand or not, you have to speak in front of them.
Mr. Alfiz has presented very valuable point over here. If anybody wants to improve their English language, if you want to improve, you want to even learn English language, so just start speaking. No matter if you are making wrong sentences, right? अगर गलती कर लो रुकना नहीं है। तो most of the time what happen, we stop speaking in front of people because we have fear, or if they make laugh, if they make fun of me, ना मेरे को रास्ते में क्या करूँगा, मुझे छेड़ेंगे क्या करूँगा, यार सीखना आपको है। If you want to learn English, so you have to speak in front of people, और people से क्या है वो 3-4 दिन आपको परेशान करेंगे। After that they will stop teasing you. Is it?
Is it right?
You do the same. You do the same.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So now let me know how much confident you are with your English. How with whom you can talk actually.
Sir, now I can talk to anybody. In anybody's all have in their heart hesitation. Even they are given many speeches. In any condition, they are speaking to a great person. Then they are hesitating in their body, but they have to make sure, and I have to also that we are not hesitating. All persons hesitate.
So now last question I would like to ask Mr. Alfiz. So can you tell our audience, okay, you have been the student of Ambit English Academy since a long time, since the time when you did not know anything, right? But now you have got much confident, you can give a speech in front of people, even you have given in park as well. So what would you like to say about Ambit English Academy to people? Should they join this academy? If they join, what benefit they can get from this academy? podcast, or we would like to end up this video. But this was Mr. Alfesh, who has explained his journey with MBA English Academy, और इन्होंने यही इंग्लिश सीखी है, और मुझे लगता है कि आज ये बहुत अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंट हैं,
Yes.
किसी के सामने भी इंग्लिश बात कर सकते हैं. If you want to have this opportunity, अगर आप भी इस इंग्लिश भाषा को सीखना चाहते हैं, not only इंग्लिश भाषा, but you can speak in front of people without having any fear. Not only in English but in another languages also. हिंदी में बात करना है तो उसके लिए हमें ताकत चाहिए, करेज चाहिए. वो एक्टिविटीज इस एकेडमी के अंदर होती हैं. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस किस तरह लाना है वो इसमें गाइड किया जाएगा. लोगों के सामने किस तरह बात करनी है, स्पीच को किस तरह स्टार्ट करना है, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. वो आपको आने के बाद ये पता लगेगा. अगर आप इस एकेडमी को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आपको ऑफर है 3 days डेमो क्लास लेकर देखिए, और ये कोचिंग आपको मिलेगी अभी ऑफलाइन. वह गंगापुर से मेरा एड्रेस है, गणेश भी उदयपुर गंगापुर. आज के थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस पॉडकास्ट,